XenServer Cloud, virtualization for scalability. Cloud computing has revolutionized the way companies manage their data and applications, offering a flexible and scalable solution for all their IT needs. XenServer Cloud, a virtualization platform designed for scalability, is an excellent choice for businesses looking to optimize their resources and streamline their operations. What is XenServer Cloud? XenServer Cloud is a powerful virtualization platform that allows businesses to create and manage virtual machines on a single physical server. How does XenServer Cloud enable scalability? XenServer Cloud is specifically designed to accommodate the growing needs of businesses, offering a scalable infrastructure that can easily adapt to changing workloads. Benefits of using XenServer Cloud for business scalability. Cost-effective solution, XenServer Cloud allows businesses to reduce their hardware and maintenance costs by virtualizing their infrastructure. Improved performance, by running multiple virtual machines on a single server, XenServer Cloud can improve the performance of applications and services, ensuring that businesses can meet the demands of their customers effectively. Enhanced security, XenServer Cloud offers robust security features to protect sensitive data and prevent unauthorized access to virtual servers. Enhanced security is critical for businesses looking to maintain the integrity of their operations. Streamline management, with XenServer Cloud, businesses can easily manage their virtual machines through a centralized interface, simplifying the process of deploying and monitoring applications in the cloud. Conclusion. In conclusion, XenServer Cloud is a valuable virtualization platform that offers businesses the scalability and flexibility they need to thrive in today's competitive market.